Ever get that feeling of walking into a bank with a big wad of cash and getting the third degree? Maybe it's a suspicion about the source, maybe it's just standard procedure. Whatever the reason, traditional banks can feel a little inquisitorial sometimes. That's where new age fintech companies like Found Bank come in. Promising a smoother, more digital experience, Found Bank has been gaining traction with small business owners and freelancers. But if you're considering switching over, one big question might be lingering. Can Found handle large deposits? Let's dive deep and uncover the nitty-gritty of Found Bank's deposit limits. Spoiler alert, it's not a straightforward answer. Hold on to your hats. It depends. Found Bank isn't your typical bank. It actually partners with Piermont Bank, a member of the FDIC, to hold your funds. That means your money is insured up to the standard $250,000 limit, which is a big plus. But when it comes to depositing large sums, things get a little more nuanced. Deposit methods make a difference. Found Bank offers several ways to fund your account, and each has its own restrictions. Direct deposits. This is where Found shines. There are no limits on direct deposits, so if your paycheck or business earnings come electronically, you're golden. Checks. Here's where things get interesting. Found allows you to deposit checks via their mobile app, but there's a weekly limit of $3,000. This might be a deal breaker for some, especially if you regularly deal with larger checks. Cash deposits. Found also allows cash deposits, but with an even stricter limit. You can only deposit up to $2,000 per week, with a monthly maximum of $4,000. So, can Found handle large deposits? It depends on your definition of large and your preferred deposit method. For smaller businesses or individuals with occasional large checks, Found might still be a good fit. But if you regularly deal with significant amounts of cash, Found's limitations could become a hassle. Here's the math. Let's say you need to deposit $10,000 in cash. Found's weekly limit won't allow it in one go. You'd have to split it up over several weeks, which can be inconvenient and time-consuming. Beyond the limits, other considerations. Deposit limits aren't the only factor to consider. Found, as a relatively new player in the financial world, might have stricter anti-money laundering (AML) policies. This means they might scrutinize large deposits more than traditional banks. While Found boasts a user-friendly platform, navigating potential AML inquiries could add an extra layer of complexity. Found Bank. A great fit, but not for everyone. Found Bank offers a fantastic solution for many, especially those who primarily deal with digital transactions. The ease of direct deposits and the security of FDIC insurance are big advantages. But for those who work heavily with cash or large checks, Found's deposit limits might be a sticking point. Before switching to Found Bank, consider your typical deposit habits. If you primarily work with electronic funds, Found could be a great choice. But if large cash deposits are a regular part of your financial life, Found's limitations might make it a less suitable option. Remember, a little research goes a long way. Check Found Bank's website or contact their customer support for the latest information on deposit limits and policies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.